So we're going to cook some fish today in the oven. Garlic, lemon, butter fish. I'm using dory fish or cream dory fish. You can use any fillet of fish that you want, really. This is so easy. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. So let's get started by having a little chat about our fish. So I'm using dory fish or cream dory. It's a fillet. You can get this fresh. I got this frozen. I defrosted it. What's really important is that you then pat it dry. I've got a lot of, paper towel, kitchen roll, or whatever you want to call that, and I patted it. I got it as dry as I can. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this into some servings, like kind of nice kind of sized pieces, and then we're going to just simply get this together and pop it in the oven. It's done. It's delicious. Now, I'm using dory fish or cream dory, or it's also known as. You could be using any other type of fish that you want. So easy this is. So what I've done is I've cut the fish into, pieces like that. Or as you wish, you can cut that in half again if you want. So a mixing bowl here. Now I've got 2 tablespoons of garlic here, chopped garlic. I'm going heavy on the garlic. Salt. Lemon juice. I've probably got 3 tablespoons of lemon juice there, or lime juice, that's up to you. Olive oil. Just slightly more olive oil than the lemon. This is not working, is it? Let me grab my other one. And then some black pepper. And if you wanted, you could get some dried thyme in there, rosemary, sage, tarragon, basil. Do you know what I mean? Something like that. I'm going to keep it nice and easy. And I've got my gloves on because what we're going to do is we're just going to give that a little mix around. And you've got some beautiful fish ready for the oven. Really easy, this one. So I've now placed the fish and the marination into a roasting tin. I'm using metal. You can use glass or ceramic if you want. Get your oven on and preheated. About 200 C, which I think is about just under 400 F. That's going to go in for about 9 minutes in a preheated onion. This is very delicate, this fish. If you're using dory fish like me, it's very thin, it's very delicate, and it will cook really quickly. Okay, so straight out of the oven, piping hot. It's beautifully cooked. What we're going to do now is we're going to get some butter. I've got maybe 2 tablespoons of butter there. I've also got some chopped parsley. Now what you want to do is just turn your oven off, put that back in the oven for 5 minutes with the oven off. Okay, and you've got some beautiful oven cooked, delicate garlic, lemon, butter fish. A few slices of lime or lemon, a little bit of tomato. I've got some of the butter here that we melted in there with all that lovely garlic, which is slightly roasted, it's got a nice kind of golden brown on it. You can serve this with some potatoes if you wanted. Well, in fact, you can serve it however you want. That is delicious. A little bit more fresh parsley. Job is a good one. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.